Hey guys, what's going on? So we are now doing a Forza video, and yeah, we're gonna do a challenge today, and Hayden's going to be giving us the challenge. So Hayden, go ahead and say hi and do your challenge.
Hey guys, today we are going to be doing the turning supercars into rally cars challenge.
Alright, so yeah, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take like a supercar of like Lamborghini, Koenigsegg, Bugatti. Well, some of those are hypercars, but
So like no hypercars.
yeah, don't do a hypercar, just do a supercar. Yeah, I can't either here. I'm gonna have to go over here. Uh,
You wouldn't have to.
come on. Okay, now that we're on our supercar rally cars, we're gonna go ahead and start over here with Hayden. Hayden, go ahead and tell us what you're in.
I am in a McLaren 650S2 with a Red Bull paint job.
All right, now moving over to Ross.
I am in the Ferrari 458 Speciale with the Monster Energy paint job.
Okay, moving on to me. I am the Lamborghini Huracan with a gold paint job with a Hoonigan sticker, Toyo Titers RS Liberty Walk, Hankook 69, and AEN. But yeah, so those are our cars, and Hayden, go ahead and tell us our first obstacle that we have to complete.
So the first thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go to the sand dunes and we are going to do a challenge where we all have to do the same jump in simulation, and whoever goes the farthest and breaks their car the least wins.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into that.
Okay, so now we are going to be doing a jump in simulation, and whoever goes the farthest without breaking their car the least wins. So I'm just gonna go for
Oh my gosh.
No!
I don't think you landed right, Hayden.
So I like
Okay, so you can just go ahead and stay there.
right there.
And
And
Ross,
when
I'm
we
coming
land,
back with the drone.
right.
Alright.
Hey, that didn't like front up first.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I missed Ross. Okay, well, here we my turn. Here we go.
Jump.
Ah.
Thomas, I think I lost. Stop it. Stop it. It's not funny.
Go.
Thomas,
I think I did the wrong one. Did I do the wrong one?
please stop that.
Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah. I think I still did the wrong one. Okay, so